My name is Lisa Marie. I'm making this video today for a good friend of mine, Donna Marshall. Hi, Donna.
You pierced my heart, swallowed by grace, like lightning, love bolted right through me. Where do I think I'm going? Where do I think I'm going? You pierced my
I met Donna about 15 years ago now, and it was at a time in my life where I was struggling with addiction, with issues, adolescent issues that were pretty deeply ingrained in my family. I had really nobody to really turn to at the time. My mother passed away when I was little. My dad was in prison, and I met Donna, and she helped me. She took me into her home, and she helped show me that there was life on the other side of pain and tragedy and trauma.
Keep me, Lord.
She helped me to foster a more like good picture of the world, if you will. She ran a program called Go Girls World out of her home, and I really learned a lot there about myself and about just having hope for the future. That was something that I hadn't had in a long time.
The miraculous is flowing right through me.
I just want to share my gratitude to Donna and Go Girls World and all my love. Bye.
Power and glory are in